Good morning, students. Welcome again into the chemistry laboratory. Now, we are already learned some practicals about the preparation of that is orange colored, orange colored, red colored, that is compound, and that is the aniline dye we prepare. Again, we see that practicals of titrations. So many practicals you can find on the YouTube. When you subscribe my channel or only write down or search Rajashree Airav, then you obtain the so many practicals of 12 science. Now this is also the practical of 12 science, that is the activity. Now this is the first activity. It is also asked for the that is 6 marks into the examination. Now this is the compulsory, because activities are compulsory practicals for the 6 marks. Remember that. Now the first activity is that is of the to prepare phthalic anhydride. Now what is this phthalic anhydride? That means hydra, that is the water, is removed from that of the phthalic acid, and there is the preparation of phthalic anhydride. You know the formula of the phthalic anhydride. Now see here, this is the again what is the formula of phthalic acid? Now there is the benzene ring, and to that benzene ring there are the two carboxylic acid groups are there on the ortho position of each other. Now this is the phthalic acid. Now remember the formula of the phthalic acid. Now when we heat it, there is the cyclization process. These two carboxylic acid groups get cyclized, and there is formation of the 5-membered ring which get attached to this benzene ring. Now see, this is the 5-membered ring. Into that, these two members carbons are from this benzene ring, and these two, that is the ketonic group, are there from that of the carboxylic acid group. This CO, and only the water get removed here. Only the water get removed, and so the name is phthalic anhydride. Now see how the water molecule is get removed from that. Now see here. Here is the this hydrogen and one of the OH group. Now see here, H and OH get removed. So it is the anhydride. Phthalic anhydride is obtained because water is eliminated. So anhydride means removal of water. And here this water molecule is removed out, and at the same time there is the cyclization, and phthalic acid is converted into phthalic anhydride. Now see here, this is phthalic anhydride. Now which apparatus are very necessary to carry out this practical? Now the apparatus required are, I will show after some time which are these, but only see here what is the names of that apparatus. Evaporating dish, again funnel is there, that is very necessary. Cotton to block the, that is the hole of that funnel. Tripod stand for heating, wire gauze, pair of tongue, and filter paper. These are the very important apparatus. And in chemical there is only phthalic acid. For 2 gram of the phthalic acid is required. For if we use the 2 gram of phthalic acid, our yield must be from 1.5 to 1.8 gram, and then you obtain the full 6 marks. And this phthalic anhydride is also the solid substance, but its crystals are like the needles. So the shape of the phthalic anhydride is needle shape, and color of phthalic anhydride is white there, and the yield or weight must be in the range of 1.5 gram to 1.8 gram, because we are using the 2 gram of the phthalic acid. Now let us how to carry out this practical in the laboratory, because in the exam you must have to carry out this practical, and the external which is the another college professor will come there, and and you must show them the yield and what is the shape and what is the color of this phthalic anhydride. Now let us see how the practical is carried out. Now let us see how this practical or activity is carried out. Now here the apparatus required are this funnel. Sorry, this is the evaporating dish. This is funnel, and to that funnel we have to block this whole of the funnel by the cotton. And here filter paper is required. Now you just do the concentric circles on that, and by the pin you can pour the holes so that the compound it get evaporate. Now this phthalic anhydride phthalic acid get evaporate, and the vapors when condense after cooling it convert into the phthalic anhydride. Now how it is carried out, see here. Here is the 2 gram of that of the phthalic acid is given us. This is the phthalic acid. Now in practical you already this is given in the in this way, that is the 2 gram, and you only take these 2 gram of the phthalic acid. Now see, this is the white powder like compound. Now this phthalic acid are poured into this evaporating dish, and on that evaporating dish you have to first this is the that is filter paper. Always put the filter paper from that side of that pores are in this way. This back side you must that is you must put on that of the evaporating dish, and put this evaporating dish on that of the tripod stand, and then you only block this funnel by using the cotton. Here cotton is already there. See, this is the cotton, and I block the whole of that of the funnel by that of the cotton. Now this cotton, why it is? Because the vapor get condensed here and they do not get removed from that of the hole. And so in this way put this very carefully on that of the evaporating dish, and then on a very low flame of the burner you only put this burner beneath of that of the tripod stand in this way very slowly, and the that is flame must be oxidizing flame must be used, but very low flame, that is the blue flame is required for carry out this practical. Just you can only hold or for few 5 to 7 minutes we have to heat that, and after that we take this from that of the tripod stand and then see the what are the crystal, how they are looking, what is the color of that, and this heating you only leave this heating for 3 to 5 minutes, and then see the vapors how they are get condensed into this funnel and how that compound is obtained. Now this is heating is there, we leave it for the 3 to 5 minutes, and after that we will see that of the crystal which are the needle shape white crystal. This is very simple activity, but the yield you must be weighed by using our chemical balance in the laboratory, and that yield is above 1.5 gram, then you may obtain the full 6 marks for that. Now after a few time we will see, or for few minutes we will see how the crystals are condensed there. Now see, in this way you leave this apparatus for 3 to 5 minutes. Now see, after few minutes, in this way, this you only switch off this burner, remove it slowly from that of the liquid stand. Then leave it again 2 to 3 minutes for cooling, because that vapors of the phthalic anhydride after cooling get condensed into this funnel, and some of the crystals are there which are attached to that of filter paper from the inner side. Then you have to scratch all that crystals on a plain paper and collect it into the another small paper and go for get or weigh it on a chemical balance, and the yield must be 1.5. Now we will see how these crystals are there. Give me any students that is of the plain paper of your notebook to collect this compound. Give me the plain paper of the notebook to collect this compound. Glass rod. Teacher, this is very small. Plain paper I require. Give me someone glass rod to collect. You can collect this crystal by using the glass rod. Scratch from that of the filter paper and that of the funnel. Only scratch it. Now on this plain paper we will collect all these crystals in a few minutes. Yes. I take here that is the glass rod, because these are the very delicate crystals, and it, if we scratch it, and this is also somewhat poisonous compound, and if we scratch, don't scratch by the fingers, remember that, always scratch with the glass rod. Any that is the, yes, any glass apparatus we can use to scratch it. Now see students, here I now remove this funnel. Vapors are still there, but see students how the needle shaped crystals are collected or attached to that of the filter paper. Very delicate and beautiful crystals we obtain after this activity. Now we will collect on the plain paper, and you just can remove this evaporating dish by using the pair of tongue, because it is very hot, so use the pair of tongue for holding this evaporating dish. There are some residual compounds of acid is there, but the main crystals we collect in this funnel also, there are the somewhat crystals. Now see me there, and this can be scratched on that of the plain paper. So many crystals we obtain also, but here we only use this heating very few seconds, but again if we heat for 2 to 3 minutes, then so many crystals we collect on that of the filter paper, and also collect the crystals from that of the evaporating dish also, and collect from that of the funnel also, because weight is very important, and we will obtain the little crystal shape white colored crystal of phthalic anhydride. Now this is the very simple activity. You can do it into the laboratory, and you will get the full marks for that. Thank you for watching this video. Share and subscribe to the another 12 Science students. Thank you very much. Bye.